Welcome to this tutorial on my Book Showroom, the greatest WordPress plugin on planet Earth for authors, editors, publishers, agents. This tutorial is going to cover how to upgrade your license. When you first install the plugin, you have an unregistered free version of the plugin. It is fully functional and can do everything you want it to do. What you will probably want to do is upgrade to a free registered version. You can do that by clicking Manage here or from settings, either here or here on the plugin page. Go to your plugin, go to settings. Any way you want to get there, it takes you to your dashboard tab, tells you what your license is, and from here you can manage your license key. If you simply want to register your free plugin, put your email address in right here. You have our absolute assurance that we will never share or sell your email address. We'll also never spam you. You will email you your key, so you have a permanent record of your key. You'll never hear from us again unless you email us. Then we'll gladly respond to your email. What you do is pop your email in here, press get your free key. You'll receive an email, and the key will also appear here and automatically register. That will give you the ability to back up your settings for the site. Backing up your settings is very, very optimal for you, as you will see in future tutorials and as you use the plugin. It's a very sophisticated plugin with lots of configurable settings, lots of customization you can perform. The ability to back that up with one button click is going to be very handy for you. If you've been using WordPress for a while, you know things happen. WordPress breaks, or the site breaks, or somebody hacks your site, or if you simply want to move your site onto a new web host or ISP, you can back up your plugin settings and then immediately with one button restore all those custom settings that you have made, which would save you a tremendous amount of time. So I strongly encourage you to at least register your key. If you already have a key, pro key, free key, publisher key. You can enter it here and click activate your license. So I'm going to do that right now. And through the magic of video, I have upgraded to a pro license, active today for one site. I now have my little green banner showing that I'm a pro user, and it is just that easy. I really encourage you to use the plugin, upgrade your license key. I hope you enjoy it. Please feel free to reach out and give us any feedback on the plugin for improvements or features that you may want included. Thank you.